2026 baby Land Cruiser such a big deal? First off, let's address the name. While Toyota hasn't officially labeled it Baby Land Cruiser, that's what everyone's calling it, and for good reason. It's smaller than the traditional Land Cruiser, but retains that boxy, confident silhouette that screams capability. Think of it as a modern love child between the classic FJ40 and the more recent Land Cruiser Prado, shrunk down to city-friendly proportions, but ready to hit the trail at a moment's notice. The design language is unmistakably Toyota. You get squared-off edges, a flat roofline, high ground clearance, and those iconic round headlights. It's like retro futurism done right. The front fascia is bold, with a matte black grille that wears the Toyota lettering proudly, harking back to vintage models. Strong fender flares give it an aggressive stance, while skid plates and tow hooks up front signal that this isn't just for show. It's built to handle real terrain. Under the hood, Toyota offers a couple of powertrain options depending on the market. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, delivering a respectable 225 horsepower and around 260 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and, of course, full-time all-wheel drive. There's also word of a hybrid variant that combines the same turbo engine with an electric motor for better fuel economy and a little extra punch off the line. No plug-in option yet, but Toyota's keeping it efficient without making it too complicated. And here's the cool part. Despite its smaller size, the baby Land Cruiser is built on the same TNGA-F platform that underpins the larger Land Cruiser and Tacoma. That means it shares the same rugged underpinnings and body-on-frame construction, which is pretty rare in this size category. Most crossovers this size are unibody, meaning they're better suited to mall parking lots than mountain passes. Not this one. This is a real-deal off-roader in a more compact package. Let's talk about the suspension setup. Toyota has gone with a solid rear axle and independent front suspension, balancing ride comfort with serious trail performance. The approach and departure angles are impressive for a small SUV, and it comes with a multi-terrain select system, crawl control, and locking differentials in higher trims. Whether you're hitting snow, sand, mud, or rocks, this little beast adapts on the fly and gives you that classic Land Cruiser confidence, just in a more nimble, fuel-efficient form. And speaking of trims, Toyota is rolling out a few different versions of the baby Land Cruiser. The entry-level trim keeps things simple, but still includes all the off-road essentials. Move up a level, and you get more creature comforts like heated seats, a larger infotainment screen, and Toyota's full safety sense suite. Then there's the top-tier off-road model. Think upgraded shocks, all-terrain tires, roof rails, and maybe even a factory snorkel option. It's like getting a mini overlanding rig straight from the dealership. Now, inside the cabin, Toyota has struck a smart balance between ruggedness and modern comfort. The dashboard layout is clean and functional, with rubberized knobs and physical buttons that are easy to use even with gloves on. There's an 8 or optional 12-inch touchscreen in the center, running Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is a mix of analog and digital, giving you clear readouts for your terrain settings, pitch and roll angles, and all the usual driving data. Seating is surprisingly roomy for a compact SUV, with supportive bucket seats up front and enough space in the back for adults to ride comfortably. Cargo space is respectable, not massive, but definitely practical. Fold the rear seats down, and you've got enough room for camping gear, weekend bags, or even a couple of mountain bikes if you get creative. One clever touch. The rear door opens barn style, swinging out sideways instead of lifting up. It's old school, but super useful on the trail or in tight parking spaces. Safety and tech? It's a Toyota, so of course it's packed with driver assistance features. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, the works. Plus, there's a 360-degree camera system with underbody view, perfect for checking trail obstacles, without getting out and crawling around in the dirt. One of the things people are loving about this model is how it bridges generations. Older Toyota fans see it as a return to form, simple, tough, and capable. Younger buyers see it as a lifestyle SUV that's cooler and more distinctive than the average crossover. It's like the baby Land Cruiser manages to be retro, relevant, and remarkably functional all at the same time. And let's not ignore the value proposition. Toyota's pricing hasn't officially dropped across all markets yet, but early indicators suggest it'll start around the low 30,000s, climbing into the low 40,000s for fully loaded off-road models. That puts it in the same ballpark as the Ford Bronco Sport, Jeep Compass Trailhawk, and even Subaru's Wilderness line. But none of those have body-on-frame construction and the Land Cruiser pedigree. Toyota is clearly targeting adventure seekers who don't want something massive, but still need a vehicle that's more than just a city crossover in outdoor clothing. If you want something small, serious, and stylish, this little cruiser might be the one. In summary, the 2026 Baby Land Cruiser is shaping up to be one of the most compelling compact SUVs we've seen in years. It honors the Land Cruiser name, with true off-road chops, smart design, and Toyota's bulletproof reliability, all in a smaller, more affordable package. Whether you're looking for a daily driver with personality or an entry point into serious trail exploration, this one deserves a test drive. Toyota may have just redefined what a compact SUV can be, and honestly, we're here for it.